Shelley from Best Buy Canada's blog, and I've been testing out the KitchenAid K400 blender. KitchenAid K400 is a 1200 watt blender with 5 speeds and 3 presets. One for smoothie, one for icy drinks, and one for ice crush. The K400 model I tested was in contour silver, and it came with a personal blending cup. So you can use that personal blending cup to whip up a smoothie right in the cup and put the lid on it and take it with you wherever you go. Out of all of the blender functions, I think ice crush is by far the most important, because if your blender is not powerful enough to crush ice, then you're not going to be able to make smoothies or icy drinks. As you can see, the KitchenAid K400 has more than enough power to crush ice. It's obliterating the entire ice tray that I threw in there, and it's turning it into snow. All you have to do is turn the dial to ice crush, and it will run the program all by itself and turn off when it's finished. Here's a look at the ice as it was finished, and the consistency is great. There's no real huge chunks left in it. It's just icy snow. The smoothie setting is a great way to whip up a quick batch of smoothies for the entire family. It crushes through frozen fruit, nuts, anything that we put inside of it, liquefied and turned into a smoothie. And as you can see, the 1.6 liter BPA-free bucket gives you more than enough space to make smoothies for the entire family. You can use the 3 presets for blending up your drinks, but you can also just turn the dial. There's 5 speeds. Those speeds let you mix up everything from dips to dough to whatever you'd like to put in your blender bucket. KitchenAid K400 also has something called slow start. So when you press the button and it starts to blend, it does so very slowly, and that is to eliminate splatter. My entire family was a huge fan of the personal blending cup. All you have to do is pop the personal blending cup on to the blender, and you can set your speed. You can use the smoothie option, or you can use different speeds. It depends on what you're trying to blend. And then when you're ready to take your drink with you, you just put the lid on the blender cup and you're ready to go. KitchenAid K400 has Intelli-Speed motor control, and that means it will sense whatever's in the blender bucket and adjust the speed accordingly for whatever you're blending. While we mostly made smoothies in both the large blender bucket and the personal cup, we also made Hollandaise sauce. I think that Hollandaise sauce is one of the more difficult things that you can make in a blender, just because you're using such low amounts of liquid. We used variable speeds, not a preset obviously, when we were making the Hollandaise sauce, and it blended it up perfectly. It didn't struggle with the low amount of liquid in the bottom of the bucket, and it made the Hollandaise sauce very smooth, and it was delicious. If you'd like a powerful blender in your kitchen that can make everything from icy drinks to smoothies and more, the K400 is a great choice. You can put the lids and the buckets in the dishwasher to clean, and there's also a cleaning mode on the K400 that lets you just whip anything. If you use sudsy water, it just whips everything away from the blades if you have food stuck inside. That's it for my look at the KitchenAid K400 blender. You can see my full written review as well as other photos on Best Buy Canada's blog. Thanks for watching.